Wynyard by TFP in South Korea. The identity of Wynyard was not clear because of various things. A Korean owner chef who learned cooking in Switzerland and Australia, French modern dining expressing various genres freely, an old building in a quiet back alley of Yeonhui-dong, a town with a strong cultural and artistic background, were mixed and coexist. We, however, thought it could be attractive as itself, and designed the space and brand with the concept of ambiguity. Location and budget were the biggest issues. The restaurant was in a residential area where it is hard to find any fine dinings. The budget was very insufficient to guarantee the completeness and quality of the construction. We, therefore, tried to focus on the concept of ambiguity, to satisfy the expectations of fine dining customers who want not just high-quality dishes, but also a greater experience of all elements including space. Using Oriental and Western or rough and well-processed things together, we emphasized the concept. The furniture here was also designed in unique shapes and aesthetics. Wynyard, Yeonhui, serves coffee on the first floor and fine dining on the second floor. Both areas were mainly finished in larch plywood. Through its unique texture which has natural yet artificial duality, we created a bold impression. The overall illuminance was set a little dark for a quiet atmosphere, but lights were added for the bar and guest table on the second floor to make dishes stand out.